got 2 boats today. In the Vespoli 4, we're gonna have dually coxing, so when we're done, can you grab a box? Brian in stroke, Chaz in 3, Lucas in 2, Jamani in bow. We're gonna be working on the same drills that we did yesterday, guys.
Exact, that's your head. Oh,
My head goes on that after that.
Oh yeah, Charlie was in that scene.
Through your drive, right? So I'm seeing you really tall right at your catch and really low at your finish. Think about just unweighting the hands to let that oar drop in the water, and then smooth, level drive all the way back to the finish, okay? And then just drop the oar in. So really start without moving that slide. Just can you drop that oar and then pull back nice and low.
That's probably another ribbon spot.
Now?
How much?
$300?
No.
Bro, yes they do.
They cost about one night. Hands on, ready, up. Up and off the head, ready, up. Walk it forward. Press it up. Up, up, up. Nice. Make it left, Brian.
In the beginning of the season, making sure our best sells are happening every practice, and you're putting in that 100%, and you're coming off the water with something you're proud of. And I really appreciate everything that you guys put in today. Kato, that was like a lot better coxing. We already